what I was feeling this evening before the ceremony. I never felt anything like this when my two older sons got married. Then I realized fathers truly have a different place in their hearts for their daughters. Hannah came into our lives at the perfect time. We have just started establishing Janus marketing. Life has its challenges, but she came as the last jigsaw puzzle piece that completed our family. Finally, we have a princess who brought so much joy to me, to her mama, and to her kuyas. Growing up, I have seen her in all kinds of dresses, birthday gowns, Halloween costume, school outfits. But today is extra special. I saw her walk down the aisles in her beautiful wedding gown. Everyone is amazed how radiant she looks. But to me, she is still my baby girl, the one I carried in my arms the day she was born. May kurot sa puso, because with all these dresses she has worn over the years, this wedding gown means that tomorrow she will officially be Derek's wife. It means I will no longer be the number one in her life, because starting today, Derek will be the number one. And I am perfectly okay with that. I have witnessed how Derek loves and takes care of my daughter. I have seen happiness in Hannah's face whenever she is with him. So my heart tells me I am giving my daughter to a very good man. And Derek, I truly believe that my princess will be your one and only queen. And let me emphasize that. Only queen. Hannah, now that you have Derek as your husband, magpasakop ka sa kanya. Support his dreams and the future he wants to build for your family. Derek Baruch, please take very good care of my daughter. I know her personality. She may be stubborn at times. You will have disagreements, normal po yun. When those moments come, just look back and remember the love you both felt when you said, I do. That promise is what will keep your marriage strong. Mahalin niyo ang isa't isa sa abot inyong makakaya. Derek, on behalf of my Ang family, welcome to the family. We are so blessed not only to have you, but also the entire family in our growing plan. So, let's raise our glasses and cheers to our children, Hannah and Derek. So, congratulations. May God continue to bless your life forever. Congratulations, Balong. And
cheers! There you have it. Palakpakan naman po na. He's on center stage as we all revel, ladies and gentlemen, in the remarkable father and daughter dance.
Look at the two of you dancing that way, lost in the moment and each other's face. So much in love, you're alone in this place, like there's nobody else in the world.